What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Tux Unboxing. We have two packages to go over today, and the first one we have is the Arlong from the current wave of the One Piece Funko Pop wave. It's a AAA exclusive, not hard to find. And the next package we have here is the popcorn bucket that they collabed with in the Philippines. It isn't hard to get, but it's pretty pricey. They retailed around $30, but they're being resold for $80 and up. Luckily, I got this for around $60 and got it early when prices were low. I'm pretty sure prices have gone up, but it looks amazing in my opinion and is worth collecting if you're a One Piece fan. Please hit that like. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.